Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
One of my favorite ingredients. This is a cage-free egg. Ooh, this is Swiss cheese. There's little holes right there. Sourdough bread, mayo, and butter. Mike Foster here. How you doing? Greetings. It's a fast, simple, and easy sandwich, but it's killer delicious. It's a fried egg Swiss cheese melt, and I'm going to put this baby together right now at the stove. I'll meet you over there. So you start by putting the bread down. I've buttered each side, and I have it on a little lower than medium because I want this to cook slow to melt the cheese. Next, you're going to take some mayo and put it down like so on both sides, just like this. All right, now we got this Swiss. I'm going to bust it in half, put it on like this. This is the key to the melt. We got to keep this nice and low so this baby melts. Same on this side. Next, I'm going to fry that egg. All right, a little butter. Let's get the egg down. There you go. Now you notice there's a little shell right there. You just use the shell to remove it. There you go. All right, let's see how we're doing. That's nice. A little pepper. That's all for the pepper. I'm going to give this about another 30-40 seconds. Flip it. Shut it off. And get back to that melt. All right, this is ready for a flip. There you go. Perfect. I'm shutting it off. I'm putting it aside. All right, how's this guy going? Just starting to melt. Perfect. This is exactly how I want it. So I got this on medium. I'm going to cover it until it melts. That should be a couple minutes. All right, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, just starting to melt, starting to brown up. I'm going to put the egg on it right here. Perfect. You get it right there. Take this guy, give it a flipperoo. Center. There you go. That's it. That's it. I don't want to press it because I don't want to break that egg yet. Let's cover it a little more. About another minute, this baby will be done. I'll meet you over at the counter. Ooh, can't wait. Golden brown on both sides. Everything's melted. Let's give it the sliceroo. Oh, it's ooey and gooey. And the reveal. There it is. Oh, this is a mess. There's your close-up. Hopefully it's a gooey mess. Big bite coming up. There's the finished product. Simple, like I told you. Simple. But let's see if it's delicious. Oh, it's cheesy. The buttery toastiness of that sourdough gets you. The cheese is right in front. The mayo, I'll let you know it's there. Just try some of that egg. Oh, that's savory. Decadent, but worth doing with a fried egg. And you know I can do anything with a fried egg, especially making sandwiches. If you like this video, check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, keep living Life 365 and eating fried eggs. Peace.
Live life 365.
And I'll be right back. That was just delicious. I'm wearing my marijuana shirt for all you people who know the Sweet Babu, by the way. And